How to use Airbnb price range filter trick. To use this trick of filter, first of all, you have to open the Airbnb application itself. Tap on this search bar, type in your location. And then all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this range option to select your date range. You can also choose between flexible and dates. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on this search option. And from here, you should be able to find all these places. Now, you might not be satisfied with the prices. And if you want to select or you want to view a selective range of prices, you simply have to tap on this icon right next to the search bar. Once you tap on this, you should be able to find this price range option over here where you can use your glider or this slider to select that specific range. Now, once you select your specific price range, your results will be shown over here. All you have to do is simply tap on this show option and the results will be shown over here with exact prices. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.